we finally made it. We are not exactly where we thought we were going to be when we originally set up this trip. We were going to head south, but weather forecast, it's a hell of a lot windier than we thought it was going to be. So we've shot up north. We were going to put in at Sampson this morning, but we had to change our plans again because punching into a 15 to 20 knot headwind didn't seem that interesting to us. So we've put in at Balla Balla. We're out at the islands now. We've got a hell of a lot of gear. So, and Isaac, we are loaded up with gear. So we're gonna throw all the stuff on the beach, and then we didn't bring any meat, so we gotta go find dinner. So good luck with us for that. Good. Grassy trevally. Oh, they went so hard. All right, let me get back. Well, we've set up camp. It's beautiful here, really, really is beautiful. We are stoked to be here. And it wasn't actually that much setting up. I'll give you a look at our little setup that we got there. This is the kitchen. This is boudoir number 1. And over there, boudoir number 2. This is for the, this here is the dining area. And then the bar is in the water. That's where we will be sitting and doing bar stuff. So yeah, that's the camp. We're here for the next 5 days. I can't wait. This is going to be absolutely amazing. So tonight we're having something nice and simple. I'm just using some cornflake crumbs. We'll throw them in the bag. We're going to crumb them up and we're going to do what everybody does. We're doing fish wraps. Night number 1, something easy. Well, that was an eventful night's sleep. We were in the tent sweating it up with the fly screen up, and then around midnight it decided to piss down with rain. So we had to get up, Isaac and I, in the rain. We had to put the rain cover on, and yeah, it was horrible. But no, it's all good now. I've had a coffee in me, cooking up some bacon. It's going to be a beautiful day. can see by that footage, it's a frustrating little dive. I had my opportunities, managed to get a feed for dinner though, so that's okay. The wind's come right up now, so we found this cool little cozy little cove, beach, river thing, and yeah, just chill out, have a bit of a feed, bit of a drink, and then we'll see what the afternoon brings. Well, despite the wind, it was a pretty good day, wasn't it?
It was actually, yeah.
Yeah.
Cracking day. Had a fat day.
We found quite a few fish today. We got enough for a feed. The boys got stuck into a few, and we did some exploring of the islands. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next week.
Woohoo!
As the sun sets on our second day, we kick back with our fish and chips and wonder what tomorrow will bring. In part 2 of this trip, we make the most of the improving weather and get stuck into some jigging action. We also do a heap more spearfishing and actually manage to shoot a few. Make sure you stay tuned for that, and thanks for watching Webby's Weekend Adventures.